Guys, it's going to be okay. It's going to be all right. Don't give up. Keep living this great life that we have. You have a life. I have a life. Make the best out of the life. Just make the best out of it. Don't beat yourself up. Just do great things every day and live this life. Live this great life in a good way, and you're going to be okay. Trust me. Everything will be fine. Just keep living life. We all have to leave here, but before we leave here, do those things that make it great while we are here. Okay? Clothes, home. What are you putting your trust in? Are you putting your trust in the hands of the person that is supposed to be in? Cast your cares on him. Put all your trust in him, and he'll make everything okay. Right? Do it. Don't just talk about it. Do it. You do it. I'm going to hold you accountable to do it. So do it. Okay? I always say that's one of my favorite words. Do it. Do it. Okay? Because once you do it, he's going to hold you accountable, okay? Trust me. Once you know, you are held accountable. So put your trust in the right basket, okay? Don't put your trust in the wrong basket, honey. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. So guys, remember to love yourself so that you can love others, and this world will be a much better place. Yes, you. Grab you some tea, some coffee, some water, some juicy smoothie or a piece of fruit, and join us for tea time sometimes. Okay, guys? So guys, I will see you all in a little while. Trust yourself. Trust in the right one. He's going to hold you accountable. Hey guys, happy Sunday. No, it's not Sunday. Sorry guys. Happy Saturday. I think today is the 27th, I think. But yeah, today is a great day. I'm actually headed out to the farewell of my cousin, and just off to the farewell. That's all I can say, you know. I went to the repast yesterday at the place where you viewed it. I went to, the viewing. I went to that yesterday, and it was really good. When I was coming in, my mom was coming out, but when she seen me, she stayed for a minute, and she didn't stay that long. She said she stayed an hour before I got there. And it brought back memories for her. So I understand that. I get that. You know, one day I'm going to be there one day, or, you know, my kids are going to be there one day, and my mom, you know, my husband might be there one day. I might be there one day. So this is an experience for me, guys, because there has been times in my life where when my father passed, when I was younger, me and my younger brother, we wasn't even able to get out the car. That's how much we couldn't do it. We just couldn't do it. And excuse me, guys, I got something on my shirt. I did make me a smoothie. I'll show it to you guys. I don't know if I spilled it on here or what. But, yeah, we didn't hardly get out of the car because, first of all, we were younger and we didn't understand. But just the thought of, you know, my dad wasn't here anymore really did something to us. And I think at a young age, and I think about it, my brother, he didn't even go to our grandmother's funeral. And when I talked to him yesterday, he was just saying how the last time he seen her at my sister's seen her at my sister's wedding, he knew that was the last time he was going to see her. But I felt like, you know, you're making an excuse because you didn't come and things like that. I don't know, but I mean, what you gonna do? What we gonna do? We can't beat people up about stuff. But yeah, guys, I did go to that yesterday. Thursday, I went over there. Then Mark was here, but he talked to her on the thing where you can see each other. They talked for like 15 minutes. They was chopping it up about old back in the day because, like I said, growing up together, young, and he remember she remembers she remembers him, and yeah, it was just beautiful, just being reconnected with family. It was beautiful, guys. It was beautiful, and like I said, to me, it's kind of like, I don't know. It's like to me, it's like you get ready or something. I don't know. You get ready for, because you know it's going to happen one day. But yeah, so that is what I'm doing right now. And it started at 12:30 and it is now 12:35 and I need to get going because I think it takes me like 20 minutes to get there. I'm not going to stay like really, really long, but I do want to go. And another thing that she said that I really, really liked yesterday, she said she's leaving. And she wants them to leave the casket open because she don't want that. And I kept thinking too, like funerals, we're in charge of our own stuff. I wouldn't want that either. I wouldn't want somebody closing it like right in my face like that. I wouldn't want to do that. So I agreed with her on that one. Yeah. But guys, here's outfit of the day. Got on my, just some leggings. Black turtleneck gray. This is a gray wool jacket with the sleeves, and I got my little hat on. I couldn't find no other hat, so I got this one. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey y'all, I had to do a random stop by, random pop in. I'm over at baby girl's house, and y'all, the funeral was really, really good, and I just want people to remember me that way. It was just a beautiful, beautiful ceremony. I'll show y'all a picture real quick of my cousin. Yeah, I'm a little. I probably look sad. I'm sad of thinking about, like, I don't know. I guess because him and his wife was together for all those years, like 50 years or less. I think it was like 50, either 50 or 40 something. I can't remember. But I mean, come on, Whew, it was really something. But it wasn't too far from where baby girl at. So I stopped over here. There she is back there. Y'all see her? She tried to give me this shirt, y'all, yesterday from the Crazy Bin. She called me and said, look at this shirt and stuff.
And y'all, this is an extra small, so I thought about her.
I like it. I do like the shirt. It's like a sweat hoodie.
Yeah, and when I seen it, I was like, ooh, this is so my mom.
I do like it, but what is it? Polyester and...
Recycled.
It's recycled.
No, it's 60% cotton and 40% recycled polyester.
So I didn't like that part.
I can wear this every day and
That's
not
nice.
have to wear a mask. I feel like I'm about to go rob somebody. No, let me stop. It do feel funny though.
It's nice. It's real nice.
I'm not used to wearing stuff like this though.
And then she got, you could wear right here.
Oh y'all.
Hold on, y'all got the camera the wrong way.
I found this purse.
She got this bag.
Oh my god, y'all, this is so me.
And
I got press-on nails on, but they keep breaking.
And she got, she kept driving me nuts. Y'all remember I kept saying about the Dr. Bronner, she found the big one. I told her to be patient and wait, and she ended up finding one.
I got this for $3, y'all. When we used to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, they used to be $20. But I seen them at Walmart for $13. I was like, dang, I don't want to pay $13 where I know I can get this for like $2, $3, or maybe $1. And I went yesterday, someone was like, just go through the bins, just go. Like, I went straight over there, and I looked. And y'all, and I thought it was tripping when I seen it. I was like, oh my God. Yeah, I was so happy.
She found one. And she found me a blouse.
Oh, yeah.
You can hold it up.
Yeah, y'all, this shirt is really cute.
She said, that's you, Mom.
Like, seriously.
It's the who, what, where. It's like stonewash, and it's 100% cotton. And it's got the puff on the thing right there. Yeah, I do like it. I'll wear it. I got some stonewash. I was telling her I got some...
Yo, this was a $30 shirt. $30.
I always be showing them how much it is.
Y'all need to be... Look, even if y'all can't find these stores wherever y'all located, look on like Facebook Marketplace and look up people doing pallets. Because that's basically what the store is. They buy Target pallets and just selling it wholesale.
Right. So there it is, y'all. I'm going to sit over here for a minute. I'm going to go home because Mark just called me and we're supposed to do some hanging out later. So if we hang out some later, go some places and I'll bring you guys along. All right. See you guys later. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Oh, this one is messed up anyway. Huh? All right, y'all, we're at Home Depot looking for a grill. So these are our choices. They have a lot of the same ones. So I think it probably might be a good grill because it's a lot of them. So basically all of these are the same. I'll show you guys. What's wrong with my camera? I don't know. That one's messed up. That one messed up. The thing right here. Like it's off it's off on that side. All of them messed up? Look, they better be giving some discounts if all these grills are messed up. $119. That one all right? We need almond milk and orange juice. And the orange juice went down. Y'all, orange juice is on sale. Go grab some from Aldi. I'm gonna see if he gonna say something to y'all today because he don't be saying nothing.
Y'all looking at?
This is a little trip. I'm not doing no haul either, y'all, because it's not enough. I just needed some milk and some other little stuff. So
Milk and cookies.
that's his stuff in there. Now y'all see who's the culprit, the bandit. Bread. Show me your little belly.
You got a little belly?
Look at that.
Right, I
Look
got a
at
little
that.
belly. It ain't that big.
Mm-hmm.
And a little belly.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Now we trying some ching wang. That ain't the name of it. Oh my God, this ain't the name of it, but it's. He talking about some ching wang chew. So we're trying this vegetarian. No, what is it? Huh?
China dragon.
Oh, China dragon. You goofy. Talking about some ching ching. Y'all, it's China dragon. He talking about some ching. He talking about some ching chong.
Cinnamon chew.
China dragon. Some veggie rolls and what else? Veggie rolls and some veggie fried rice. So I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna end this video because she's tired and I can't wait to get home and eat. So I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Y'all, there is that food. One broccoli. Here are the hangers, guys. We went to Aldi's, got some hangers. We found these were $1.99, $1.99. He gave us. We couldn't find the matching one, so these were 2 for $1. And he bought some clippers, but he said they don't work. Way to take those back. And got some Energizer batteries. Y'all, here is the food. That was kind of big. I'm ready to chow down.